Hi everybody, this is Mohammed Haq. I am trying to install a Sitecore 10 instance. Sitecore 10 just came out, so I'm excited, and I got a 2 months trial license from Sitecore. Thank you for that. Okay, so to install Sitecore, you're gonna wanna go to dev.sitecore.net, and I have a Azure VM over here, so I'm gonna go to download. And so for this, I am going to do the download option for on-premise deployment, and I'm going to download graphical setup for XP single. I will accept, and I'll pause the video when it's downloaded. One thing to mention, on this PC I have Sitecore 9.3 installed, and I have the Solar instance installed in this also, so I will skip over those. So I downloaded Sitecore 10 and unzipped it on a folder called Sitecore X, and now I'm gonna update the setup exe with the SQL Server and all those connection string like Shelly showed on her pluralsight video. And so I'm gonna start changing. And solar root, solar location, solar root, username, password, save it. So now the setup exe config is done. I'm gonna run the setup as administrator. Sitecore install platform 10.0 comes up. I'm gonna start and click on install, and this will take a while, so we'll come back to it. Okay, now the prerequisites are done. We're gonna move to the next one. It says install Solar. We already have Solar, so we're just gonna skip over this one. Installation solution prefix, I'm gonna go SX. Sitecore admin password B, confirm password is B. License file, let's go look for the license file, and we'll go next. And this is fine with the and SQL Server admin password. Go to next. Solar, let's double check if it's the right Solar instance. So let's double check the Solar installation location. That's right here, and 8750 Solar. Okay, I accidentally closed it. Solar 81, Solar 811. Okay, and Solar 84. Okay, that's fine. Now we're gonna check on if we're gonna do. Now we're gonna see if we're gonna install SXA. For now, I'm not gonna install the SXA. I'm gonna go to the next, and seems fine. Gonna keep on going. Ooh, and I get a invalid license file. I gotta fix that. Okay, the reason I had the invalid license file because I pointed to the zip file. Let's go back and fix that. Here we go, the license file. Here we go. So we're gonna keep on going with the same items. And okay, it's a valid license file now. And it's gonna take a while, so I'll pause it for now and I'll come back. So now the Sitecore installation is complete, so click next, and launch Sitecore. It took some time to come up. Let's log in. Admin and B. And there you go. We have Sitecore 10 installed on the local machine. SC dev local. You can go look at the IIS. And I got my Sitecore 9 and Sitecore 10 installed here. Looks good. My content editor is up. Yep, content editor's up. See a new thing in here. Okay, let's look at the site. And there she is, famous Sitecore lady. So I'll stop the recording here. Thank you for watching.